Hey Raiders, this is your Raider Roundup for April 8th. I'm Gavin.
I'm Deuce.
And here's your Raider Roundup. Here are your announcements. The author of the books Somewhere Between Bitter and Sweet and the new novel Heartbreak Symphony will be in the library on April 12th during Advocate. Make sure to stop by. The Young and Beautiful prom will be April 23rd at 8 o'clock at the Westin in the Domain. Buy your tickets. Please drive safely when arriving and leaving the campus. The RAS mechanics did amazing at state qualifiers, so make sure to give them a congratulations if you see them in the hallway. The Special Olympics track meet will be Saturday, April 9th at Bible Stadium. The opening ceremony is at 11:30. Make sure to come out and support these great athletes. Here are today's sports. Since it's National Library Week, here's an introduction to SORA.
I like to read and listen to books online, but don't want to spend money? Well, SORA is the perfect place for you. SORA has thousands of books for all ages, and all you need is a phone or a computer.
¿Por qué no las dos?
Now I'm going to send it off to my friend Gavin to teach you how to use SORA.
To begin, look up soraapp.com or SORA on the App Store or Google Play Store. Upon reaching SORA, you will find the Leander ISD School District. Once you have found Leander ISD, you will need to select which grade you are in. You may have a prompt to select your exact school after this. Sign in with your regular school account and or laptop username and password after you have selected your school. Now you have access to the thousands of books, comics, audiobooks, and more that SORA offers you. You can find any of these resources by looking through what SORA recommends to you, or you can look up certain books, such as Michael Vey here, and you will check it out by borrowing the book and make sure to return it once you're done. Thank you for watching. I hope you have a wonderful time on SORA.
Hey Raiders, so today is National Library Week and I decided to stop by the library and ask some of our Raiders what they thought about it, what are their personal experience with the library, and what's their favorite memory. So, let's go. Okay, so what's your favorite memory of the library?
My favorite memory is probably whenever they had that one day where they got like cookies and stuff. I didn't get to have any because I came too late, but it was cool that they had that. Sometimes the librarians let me pray in like the conference room, so I like doing that too.
I was always a library geek. I know that's shocking, but when I was growing up, I grew up in central Illinois in the middle of a cornfield, so we didn't have, my family didn't travel a lot. We didn't have, the typical go to Disney on vacation, so a big treat for me was to go to the library, and my parents were very supportive about that, so I always had a big, huge stack of books, and it was just a way for me to kind of experience the world without being able to go physically just yet.
Right now, we were playing Tycoon, and I kicked everyone's butt. Santi lost horribly.
Probably reading Don Quixote de la Mancha around here, yeah.
So what's your personal experience with the library?
I'm beating Santi and Tycoon.
Making a comeback in Go Fish.
Sick. Fight. So as a librarian, what made you choose this career of being a librarian in a local high school?
Well, I started out as a classroom teacher, and part of my love of teaching was always all about sharing books and reading with students. And so after I'd been teaching for a few years, I thought, well, I could just spend my whole day doing the best part of education, and that's when I decided to go back to school and become a librarian.
This is my third time ever coming in here, so it's pretty nice. It's chill. A few people talking too loud, but sometimes you gotta tell them shh. That's about it.
I come here a lot to study, and I used to have an off period that I used to come in here to study for, so that's most of my experience here. And then I also like talk to the librarians a lot.
Well, that's what our Raiders thought about our library. Either way, happy National Library Week, and congratulations to all the libraries out there. You do a lot for us. I know a lot of people say we don't read a lot, but believe us, we do, and we appreciate you. See you later, Raiders.
Judging all the tears on your pillow. There's something that you want to say before I give you the chance to say what's on your mind. Let me tell you something, baby, before you leave me behind.
This has been your Raider Roundup. Have a great day, Raiders.